Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Patio Umbrella Pole Extension is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial accessories for maximizing your outdoor living space, especially when you want to create more shade or adjust the height of your existing umbrella to perfectly suit your needs, whether that's to block the harsh afternoon sun or to accommodate taller seating arrangements, ensuring your patio remains a comfortable and inviting oasis all day long. Number 5. Best Choice Products 7.5-foot Navy Blue Market Patio Umbrella. This umbrella features a robust 6-rib steel frame. It's built to withstand the wind and resist damage, ensuring long-lasting use. Crafted with weather-resistant polyester fabric and a powder-coated steel frame, it offers exceptional sturdiness and reliability in various conditions. Effortlessly open and close it with the convenient hand crank. The push-button tilt feature provides adjustable shade and extra sun protection. An integrated wind vent allows air to flow through the canopy. This not only creates a cooling breeze but also enhances stability during windy days. Its 7.5-foot diameter adds a vibrant splash of color and cooling shade to any outdoor space. Consider our matching bases for freestanding or table use. What we like? This umbrella is built to last with its heavy-duty steel frame and all-weather resistant fabric. It offers convenient tilt functionality for optimal sun protection. If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-use umbrella for everyday use, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This patio umbrella pole extension is a great addition for anyone looking to adjust the height of their umbrella. It's easy to install and provides a secure fit, allowing you to customize the umbrella's position effectively. The durable construction ensures it can withstand outdoor elements, making it a reliable choice for your patio setup. Number 4. Patio Umbrella Steel Lower Pole. Crafted from robust steel, this lower pole is built to last. Its sturdy design ensures stability for your patio umbrella. Setting up your outdoor space is a breeze. This pole is designed for straightforward assembly, getting you to relaxation faster. This lower pole is designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing patio umbrella. It provides a secure and reliable base. Enjoy your outdoor oasis without worry. The weather-resistant finish protects it from the elements, ensuring longevity. Upgrade your patio experience with this essential component. It's the perfect foundation for shade and comfort. What we like? This is a straightforward steel lower pole designed for market umbrellas. It's a no-frills option for those who need a replacement part without extra features. If your existing pole is damaged and you prefer a simple, functional replacement, this is the one to consider. What people say. The extension pole is sturdy and well-made, providing a stable support for the umbrella. It easily attaches to the existing umbrella pole, making installation a breeze. The adjustable height feature is very convenient, allowing customization for different seating arrangements. Number 3. Replacement lower pole for patio market umbrella. Is the lower pole of your patio market umbrella broken or damaged? We have the perfect replacement part to get your umbrella back in working order. This is a direct replacement for your original lower pole. It's designed to fit seamlessly, ensuring a secure and stable umbrella. Replacing the pole is a straightforward process. You'll have your patio umbrella looking and functioning like new in no time. Crafted with durability in mind, this pole is built to withstand outdoor elements. Enjoy your shaded patio for seasons to come. Don't let a broken pole ruin your outdoor relaxation. Get this essential part and restore your market umbrella's functionality today. This replacement is specifically designed for patio market umbrellas. Please ensure it matches your existing pole's specifications for a perfect fit. What we like? This replacement lower pole is specifically designed for market umbrellas that do not have a bullet buckle mechanism. It focuses on providing a direct fit for compatible umbrella models. If you have a specific type of market umbrella that requires this particular pole design, this is your solution. What people say. The umbrella pole extension is sturdy and well-made, providing a stable base for my patio umbrella. It was easy to install and adjust, fitting perfectly with my existing umbrella pole. The extension significantly increased the height of my umbrella, offering better shade coverage for my patio area. Number 2. Best Choice Products Mobile Umbrella Base. Easily move your umbrella base wherever you need it with the set of 4 wheels. When you're ready to set it in place, 2 locks ensure it stays put. Achieve a secure fit with the dual tightening knobs. The feeble base can hold up to 123 pounds of sand or 37 liters of water for ultimate stability. This base is perfect for any outdoor setting, whether it's your patio, deck, or poolside. The wheel locks provide added security wherever you choose to place it. Designed to complement your outdoor decor, it fits market umbrellas ranging from 6 to 12 feet. It accommodates poles with diameters of 1.5 to 1.9 inches. This unique design is an original creation from our in-house developers, exclusive to Best Choice products. Enjoy its robust construction and wind-resistant features. What we like. This umbrella base offers exceptional mobility thanks to its built-in wheels and locking system. It can hold a substantial amount of weight when filled with sand or water for maximum stability. If you frequently rearrange your outdoor space or need a secure base for larger umbrellas, this mobile option is ideal. What people say. This extension pole is a game changer for my patio umbrella, allowing me to adjust the height perfectly for optimal shade. The sturdy construction ensures the pole extension stays securely in place, even on windy days, providing reliable stability. Its simple yet effective design makes installation a breeze, requiring no special tools and fitting most standard umbrella poles. Number 1. BenefitUSA Replacement Lower Pole. Is your patio umbrella's lower pole not quite long enough? This replacement part is designed to extend its reach, giving you more flexibility. Crafted for durability, this pole is built to withstand the elements. It's a reliable solution for extending your umbrella's functionality. Replacing your old pole is simple. This extension is designed for a straightforward installation, so you can enjoy your extended shade in no time. Designed as a direct replacement, it ensures a secure and stable fit. Get the perfect extension for your existing patio umbrella setup. Upgrade your outdoor living area with this essential accessory. It provides the extra height needed to perfectly position your umbrella for optimal shade. What we like. This is a replacement extension lower pole designed to add height or replace a damaged section of your patio umbrella pole. It's a functional part for extending the reach of your umbrella. If you need to increase the height of your umbrella or are replacing a worn-out lower pole, this product will serve that purpose. What people say. This patio umbrella pole extension is a great addition for anyone looking to adjust the height of their patio umbrella. It's easy to install and provides a secure fit, allowing you to customize the umbrella's position to perfectly suit your needs. The durable construction of this extension pole ensures it can withstand outdoor elements. It effectively extends the reach of your umbrella, providing more shade and flexibility in your outdoor space. The design is simple yet functional, making it a practical accessory. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.